How you doing, guys? Today we have 2015 Lincoln MKZ. Customer wants an extra key, but his memory is full. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to check the frequency to make sure the battery is good and transmit the right signal. So I'm going to take an aftermarket key. I'm going to go to the KM100 by Autel. I'm going to go to frequency tester. And we're going to press next to the antenna. And it shows the 902, 903. So that means the signal is good. So now we can go and start programming. I'm going to use the OBD dongle to connect underneath the steering column to the OBD connector. And we're going to start by going to immobilizer, going to Ford. I'm going to put the new key in the antenna in the cup holder. I'm going to go to manual selection. Manual selection. I'm going to choose Lincoln. I'm going to choose MKZ. I'm going to choose 2013 to 16 and smart key. Make sure everything is correct and hit yes. We're going to go to hot function and we'll try to add a key. I'll show you how it looks like. We're going to start the procedure. It tells me if there is an alarm system, we need to shut the alarm off, but there is no alarm. And it tells me that it's not going to erase any keys and that it's normal that the instrument cluster is going off. Alright, tell me to turn the ignition on position. I have the key on top, so I'm going to put it right inside and we press on. I'm going to hit OK. Alright, it shows me that there is 4 keys in the memory. I'm going to hit OK. Tell me to put the key in the antenna. I put the key right here. Let's hit OK. It should show me 5, but it shows 4. It doesn't want to learn it. You ask me if I want again, but I don't, so it's failed. Because there is only 4 keys in the memory, you can't put any more. So I'm going to do all keys lost. We're going to start the procedure. It's going to delete everything and we'll have to have 2 keys to program. Alright, so it also wants me to use the USB-C to USB-C from the dongle to the machine. And make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection. Ask me if there is any alarm right now. I say no. It's going to start at 10 minutes, fasting forward. After the 10 minutes, I'll need to program 2 keys. You want to program the first one? Yes. Currently there is 4. Now it's going to erase it. Now there is 0 keys in the memory. I'm going to hit OK. Learn key 0. Put the first key in the antenna. So I'm going to take the first key already inside the antenna and hit OK. First key learned. Do you want to learn the next key? I'm going to hit yes. I'm going to remove the first one. I'm going to put the new one in, the second one. And we're gonna hit OK. And now there is 2 keys in the memory. You want to learn another key? I'm gonna hit no, and we can test it out. And if everything is correct, I'm giving the customer one of the keys out of the vehicle because we want to test it out. So I'm gonna stay only with 1 key with me. So we're gonna try it out. Nice and easy. We can also I'm gonna take the other key now. I'm gonna switch it with the customer just to verify that both of them are programmed. That's the new key. Nice and easy. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I really appreciate you subscribing and watching my videos. Thank you very much. I'll test it from outside and we're all done. All done. We'll see you in the next video.